If I'm doing 4 into 3, a simple multiplication, this is what actually happens. Why is it 12? Why is it 12?
Because you repeat because
Next.
you have to say 4 3 times.
Yes, 4 3 times. And if I put 4 and then start counting 3 times, I see that I'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's not just because it is in the table of 4. Do you understand that? This is the reason why 12 is the answer for 4 into 3.
Because you take 12 boxes.
Yeah. Why do I take 12 boxes? Because I have to go 4 times, then I'll go once more 4, then once more. Then if you start counting that, you'll see that there's 12.
Yeah, 3
Actually, when you look at division, if you divide 12 by 4, then what you have is 3. Division by 4 is taking 12 completely and putting it into 3 equal parts, right? How many parts can you make? 3 parts if you divide by 4. That is why 12 divided by 4 is 3. Now, the next thing you should observe is, what if it is not completely divisible? Like, I have one extra. Now, another thing, you might be thinking that 4 into 3 was a simple multiplication. That is why we could do with boxes, right? The 4 boxes. What if it is a 2-digit number like 43 into 36?
take the boxes as equal to the box.
Yes, but then 43 boxes, 36 boxes also would be difficult, right? So I've come up with a simple example here. Now, when you take 43 and 36, what I have done instead of 4 and 3 is, I have taken 10 as the width of each box, 10 as the height of each box. So each box would measure 100. Do you understand why? This box, which is 10 by 10, if it were to be like in the previous example, I showed 4 by 3, you got 12. Similarly, if I have 10 by 10, will I get 100? Yes. One such box is 100. So 43, I have represented it like this: 10, 20, 30, 40 and 43. Similarly, 36 would be 10, 20, 30 and 6. Okay?
Take the perfect measurement of the box.
Yeah. Now 10 by 10 is 100.
Yes, sir.
Another 100 would make it 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. Similarly, I continue 1200. Correct? This part is measured. But in 43 into 36, what is left out? This additional part is left out.
Yes, sir.
And there also you see
Yes, sir.
a part left out. How do we measure that?
You have to add them.
Here, the total height is 36. If this is 10, 20, 30, how much extra will be there? 10, 20, 30, 6. Similarly, 10, 20, 30, 40 and then 3. Correct? So if I have to measure this small box, it would be 3 into 10. What is 3 tens are? 30. Or like I told you in the previous step, you know why 3 into 10 is 30. Correct? This would be 30. Another 30, another 30, right?
Yeah.
So what is it? 30 then? 60, 90. Similarly, on the top, you have 6 as the additional height and 10 as the width. So you will be getting 60, 120.